So this is me on my way to today's workshop. It is raining, as you can see me carrying an umbrella, but I'm on my way.
Getting ready with Marvin.
Yeah.
Go for the masterclass inside our public transport vehicle. See you in a bit.
Wow. Have you enjoyed your time on words? You can see the applause. Fantastic. Thank you so much.
So I just got to the venue now. I'm at the venue. Yes, I'm on time this time around.
You buy something at $1,000, tomorrow the dollar drops, you don't know whether to sell or not to sell. Then unexpected obstacles, they will come in.
We finally made it.
So we're here. We are looking for the others.
We lost. So, if you're running a business, before you make that decision to go and get something, I would assume you started the business at some point or running the business, and you identify the basics of.
We will all have those lives and we'll be going through it. I think that will be fine. Okay.
So the next, after location, the next is go to shopping malls, see ice cream shops. And I got it jealousy. The idea is they sell it, they will now take their money. And if they do it, remember the bonus of the 3 million. I paid about 130 million, about double what I paid.
Well, thank you very much. Dr. Zito is a senior friend of mine, and I can't tell you how much I've benefited from being associated with him. Thank you all for coming, and God bless you, and have a great rest of the day. Bye.
Louder, come on, Alvin, speak up.
Yo, on behalf of Kenyan people, thank you so much. I appreciate for your time and for your patience. Also, I appreciate that so much, and also for taking the time. We've asked so many questions and you've answered them all. Thank you so much, and God bless.
All I can say, on behalf of the Ghanaian team, we would like to say a very big thank you to Dr. Ashito and also to our fellow partners that are listening from Kenya and also Nigeria to know the steps that we need to follow so that our businesses will become a success.